Come check out this remarkable home with motivated sellers, and located just minutes from everything. Entering this home, you will take note of the beautiful hardwood floors and solid wood trim and doors. The kitchen offers center island cooking with gleaming oak cabinets, updated appliances, and lots of natural light. The living dining offers hardwood flooring, vaulted beam ceiling, and fireplace. The 3 bedrooms located on the main level are spacious and comfortable, along with ample storage. Downstairs you will find a large family room, amazing laundry, 4th bedroom, 3rd bathroom, and additional storage with an awesome storage design and whole house Culligan Water Filter Softner System. This home offers a beautiful manicured yard located in the Woodridge Subdivision that offers sidewalks for those evening walks. This home offers 15